A tough competitor in the form of X20 Ultra by Vivo is arriving. There will be LTPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen display, which can easily produce a high resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels with large 6.78 inches screen size, such as a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. At the back, you will get a triple camera system with 50 megapixel wide lens and 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor and 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens. You don't need to worry about the battery life since it comes with a large 6000 mAh battery. The smartphone gets power from one of the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 4nm chipset with the addition of 4.32 GHz octa-core CPU. You will get massive RAM of 12 and 16 GB with 256 and 512 GB of built-in memory. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.